In a mobile-first, cloud-first world, access to corporate email, documents, and robust productivity tools is crucial for employees to stay truly productive while on the go. However, the amount of confidential data that is stored within corporate emails and documents can create a significant security risk for organizations if that data ends up in the wrong hands. Microsoft Enterprise Mobility Suite, also referred to as EMS, solves this challenge by delivering comprehensive protection of corporate email and documents across 4 layers: identity, device, application, and data, while still providing the productivity you've come to expect with Office mobile apps such as Outlook, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. EMS includes Azure Active Directory Premium, Microsoft Intune, and Azure Rights Management. These cloud services work directly with Office 365 to create a seamless email and productivity experience for employees without compromising IT security. When employees access corporate email and documents on their mobile devices, they expect it to be quick and easy. No one wants to call the help desk for access to email, right? IT, on the other hand, wants to keep corporate data secure, wherever it's accessed from. EMS and Office 365 can solve both these problems. Let's say I'm an employee needing to set up my work email in Outlook. When I first add my corporate Office 365 account in my Outlook app, I expect to get access to all of my emails. But with EMS, IT can enable conditional access capabilities that help to ensure employees can access corporate email only from devices that are managed by Intune and compliant with IT policies. As you see here, I'm currently blocked from my email. Before I can access corporate resources, I need to enroll my device in Intune by installing Intune Company Portal app and going through a few simple enrollment steps. Intune is uniquely able to manage and enforce app restrictions for Outlook and other Office mobile apps to help protect corporate data. Moreover, employees can still use the Office apps they know and love, and are not forced to use proprietary productivity apps with limited functionality. Now that you've seen how to require your employees to enroll their devices in Intune before accessing corporate resources such as email and documents, let's take a look at how EMS is able to protect corporate data stored on the device itself. When I first launch Outlook, I'm prompted to enter my PIN, since IT has defined this as a requirement for employees who use managed apps. In one of my emails, there's some useful data I want to keep for a project. But when I try to copy and paste it into my Notes app, it doesn't work, because Notes is a personal app. Instead, if I paste the data into my Microsoft Word app, it works. That's because Word app is managed by Intune. I use Word and other Office apps the same way I always do, so my user experience hasn't changed at all, which makes me happy. And IT is happy since Intune helps them protect corporate data. Now let's go back to Outlook and view an email from a colleague that has an attachment. When I try to open it, I can only choose apps that are managed by Intune to view the file. My other personal apps are not allowed to work with the attachment, so I'll open it in Excel, which is managed by Intune, and make a change in the table. When I try to save the change and place the file in my personal Dropbox storage account, it won't work. Why? Because IT has blocked all corporate data from being stored in any personal cloud storage accounts. Instead, I just save my changes to OneDrive for Business, which is approved by IT. One more way EMS helps keep corporate data secure. Now, there still is a chance that confidential files may end up in the wrong hands, like if I unintentionally forward an email to the wrong recipients. EMS can help with that as well. For example, since this confidential attachment is protected with Azure Rights Management, it's encrypted and only specific people can access it. When I try to open it, Azure Rights Management verifies my permissions by checking my Azure AD identity. It looks like I can access the document, but I only have permission to view the file. This is because of Azure Rights Management's granular controls that protect files by encrypting them, and also by deciding what approved recipients can do with the file. Securing mobile productivity is a classic bring your own or choose your own device scenario. With EMS, your employees can still have best-in-class email and productivity experiences using Office 365 on their favorite devices, while IT can have better peace of mind knowing that access to their organization's data is comprehensively protected across 4 layers: identity, device, application, and data. Learn more and try it yourself at Microsoft.com/EMS.